importance of English in the globalization era. In this modern era, English is very important because English is the international language used to communicate in most countries in the world. English can connect various countries in the world. In addition to communicate, the English language is also very necessary, among other, for education because most of the books written in English. In addition, English is also a powerful tool to conquer the internet and will be easier to get a job. In Indonesia, English is a foreign language that is studied from primary school to college level. The importance of speaking English today has an important role in our daily life. This is a great way of communication. Learning to speak English well may be the best way to improve our life, according to the data. People in the world speak in United Kingdom, while another billion are still learning the language United Kingdom. If we can communicate in the language of the United Kingdom, we can contact people from all over the world. We can talk about your ideas and opinion about internet discussion group. We can chat with others who are interesting to learn about their life and culture. If we can communicate in the language of the United Kingdom, we can travel more easily. United Kingdom language spoke in more than country. Most Asian countries also use English as medium of instruction, or English become the second language after their national language, such as the Philippines, Singapore, and Malaysia. Indonesia need to realize that English is a language that is necessary for us to know. According to research conducted from held by an institution can be concluded in English language Indonesia society rank that have a national language other than English. Indonesia is still far behind Malaysia with its rank. From the result of this research, we should be aware that we are still less the interesting to learn English as an international language. English is very important to learn so that we can absorb all the global information. In this era of competitive globalization, everyone is not only required to have a high education but also skill or special skill to success as like expert in English. That is important skill to face the future. Based on explanation, English is a global language. So for those who want to be a step ahead of people in general, we should be able to speak English. Many people are reluctant to learn English because they fail to all to speak English. But in my opinion, the main capital for speaking English well is not someone but how determine a person to learn. Vocabulary knowledge in English dictionary in the main capital in learning this language. English vocabulary should be introduced or taught from an early age when we ask when is the best time to learn English. Now is the time. If we feel embarrassed of or nervous when speaking English, it's not our fault. If we make a mistake in English and even then not a mistake. Why? Because native speakers alone often make mistake in pronunciation and grammar. How to deal with things like this is trivial. That is with high confidence and vocabulary.